Okay, guys, this is a video to show you how to turn in an attachment to us, particularly your pixel art Excel document from your major grade on multi-step equations. You will go to Resources, Unit 1, and it is 1.4. This is going to bring up your assignment. You will download the assignment. So see what I did? I pressed the three dots and I'm going to download. It might take a second. It was moving a little bit slower for me today. So then I'm going to open the document. Now, you will notice right here under the assignment, I do have instructions saying you must turn in the completed work on the paper copy you're going to get into class. You're going to get in class and work on in class. This is simply to check your answers, to type in your answers, okay? When you save it, I have a specific way you're going to save it right here. So everything I'm going on this video is explained right here. You may also turn it in here where it says answer assignment, or you may email it to me from your email. So now I've opened the document and this is what comes up. I'm going to drag it over here. Okay. The first thing you need to do is save it to your laptop so you can be working on it for the multiple days we're working on it. So you have to click this button right here that says enable editing. You have to be able to enable the editing. And immediately you're going to go to File, Save As, okay? And you are going to save the file on your desktop with the name as I pointed out. You're going to have 1.4, which is the name of the activity. You're going to have your last name, your first name, and your period, whatever period you have. And when you go to save, I always like to browse, and I am going to save it on my desktop because I always find it easier to find stuff if it's right there on my desktop, or easier for us to help you find it on your desktop. It is now saved and you are ready to work on it. So what's going to happen is you are going to go through your assignment and you will have all these printed on a piece of paper to work through. This is where you're going to check your answers. Okay, so let me show you right now the importance of checking your answers and typing them in correctly. So you will work your answer on the other page. And let's say that you get x equals -2 for number 1, and that is the correct answer, okay? You come over here and you must type in exactly as it appears. You must have the x as part of your solution. That is all explained right here on the directions page, okay? So I'm going to come over here, and when I type in x equals 2, if you look, it turned black and it started filling in pixels. Let's say that you forgot your negative. What would that look like? Okay. So if you forgot your negative, this is what would happen. You would enter it and it would stay red and not fill anything in. So that's how you know that you did it incorrectly. So again, if you left out the x, let's say you put the -2 in, but forgot the x, it is still going to code it as red and it will not fill in. I highly recommend you go a problem at a time and check them as you go. So again, you have to type in the entire answer. You have to hit enter so that it can cycle through and it will fill in your pixels to reveal to you a picture, okay? So what you will then do is when you're done, you're going to save it. Okay, remember I saved it to my desktop already. I'm going to close it. So when you're done with the entire project, you're going to go turn it in. So I'm going to do answer assignment. I am going to put the file, I'm going to add the file right here off of my computer. Click Files, go to Desktop, and attach that one to my file. And see it's attaching down here, and it shows it attached. That's how you will submit it, and you will submit it from there. All right. The other option you have, okay, so I'll go ahead and submit. The other action you have is to email it to me. You guys all worked on your email last week. You can just attach it in the email and send it to me at L. Richardson. Either way is completely appropriate.